Another CSS value type we have is the position value type. The position value type represents a set of coordinates used to position an item. To align items, we use keywords such as top, left, bottom, right, and center. We can use the pixel value to specify a more specific distance from this point. So instead of just saying top, we can use pixel to define how many pixels away from the top. So generally, the position value type will have two values. The first sets the position horizontally, while the second sets the element vertically. Now, if you specify only one axis value, the other will default to center. So let's say I specify only horizontal, it will assume the vertical axis is center. In our code, we have an Apple image set to a size of 100 pixels. We're going to set the position to right center. So that means horizontally, it's on the right, and vertically, it's in the center. So this apple will be placed on the intersection between right horizontally and center vertically. We can also be more specific and use pixels. For example, we can position the background image to the right of the container and 50 pixels from the top. Another example is we can position the background image 200 pixels from the right and 50 pixels from the top. Now, these are common ways of dealing with position value type in CSS. You can play around with this and read more about working with them.